Alcohol is alcohol. Drunk is drunk. Happy is happy. So it doesn't really matter what alcohol you're consuming, you're gonna catch a buzz. The only thing that determines your state of intoxication is how much of that alcohol you've consumed. So you may prefer 24 beers, but that's the same as X amount of shots. So if you drink whiskey, which may be something that you prefer, you're gonna get equally as drunk as if you drink tequila. How you experience that drunk may be different, but you are equally intoxicated. Tequila was my favorite. It actually kept me super duper mellow because I got a ton of ADHD going on. But vodka got me just as faded, but it kept me neutral. Vodka was the last alcohol I consumed before I started throwing up blood. Some people get drunk faster when there's bubbly. If I wanted a cheap intoxication, I would go with champagne. So to tolerate alcohol just means you have a different tolerance to different alcohols. If you have a high tolerance,